So in today's video I'll show you how to configure auto power off on your GoPro Mission 1. When you slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the right page, you can go to the preferences, then go to general, and you'll find auto power off. That's the time of an activity when the screen isn't being touched and nothing is being captured at that moment, and you can just set it to from 1 minute up to never. Yeah, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.